Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the GA4 property and that the G tag or tag manager snippet fires on every page. This is essential. Next, create consistent UTM parameters for your social links so data remains clean. Use UTM source, UTM medium, UTM campaign. Once done, test a few tagged links in a private browser to confirm events appear in debug view. Make sure to document your naming conventions so teammates send consistent traffic that's easy to compare over time. Now you focus on what to measure. Enable enhanced measurement for scrolls and outbound clicks, then add custom events for social-specific interactions like link clicks or share button presses. After that, mark key events as conversions, newsletter signups, purchases, lead submissions, so social-driven value is visible. Once done, build audiences from high engagement segments for remarketing. That connects your analytics to action. Make sure to validate event parameters and conversion counts against raw server or CRM data to avoid surprises. Finish by building targeted reports. Use explorations to compare social channels, analyze user paths, and attribute conversions. Then set up automated weekly email reports and alerts for sudden drops or spikes so you react fast. Once done, connect these insights to campaign decisions. Boost posts that convert, pause poorly performing ads. If things go wrong, first check UTMs, tag firing via debug view, filters that might exclude traffic, and time zone mismatches. Fixing those usually restores accurate social analytics quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.